Let's create a card for Valentine's Day in Studio. To start, select the postcard preset, which gives a nice size for a card printout. Of course, you can change the dimensions to any size you like. For something a little less traditional, I found these illustrations on Creative Fabrica, which I have downloaded and uploaded to Studio via the Uploads tab. Add one to the canvas by clicking it. Change the background color in the Backgrounds tab. You can color pick a green from the illustration, and then change the hue using the slider. Then we'll add a new text field to add some text. I'll choose a playful, bold font to complement the quirky illustration style. Let's add some additional heart graphics from the Graphics panel. Search heart and find one you like. Hold the Option or Alt key to duplicate. Create some contrast with size and rotation. Zoom out to view your design a bit smaller via the Zoom control at the top right, above the Layers panel. When you're done, click Share and download as a print-ready PDF. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.